This is incredible! Am I really doing this? Yahoo!
First download those files, the link is in the description, and you also need the latest version of Clear 4, so go to ClearPointly and download it. Now select the folder where you installed GTA San Andreas, and please make a backup file so if it crashes you can recover it. I have already installed Clear 4, so I'm closing the installation progress. Make a backup file of GTA San Andreas, it is very important. After that use WinRAR to extract the Spider-Man mod file. Now copy those 3 files that I selected and paste it to your GTA San Andreas folder. Now go to ANDREAS IMG editor folder and follow me, and don't make any mistakes, do exactly what I'm showing. Now I will show the gameplay, and you can find the controls by checking the control image.